Hi there! Today's video is brought to you by Tiny Bear in a tiny hat. What hat will he wear next? Okay, so the focus right now is going to be on the Concert F scale. This scale is special for us because it's the only 2-octave scale that we have. You've looked at the key signature, I hope, and that key signature is going to apply to both octaves, 1 flat, B flat. So make sure you have those marked in your music. You might also consider marking the E naturals or the A naturals. Since we have 2 octaves, there's going to be 2 E naturals going up and 2 E naturals going down. 2 B flats going up, 2 B flats going down. So make sure that you mark all of them. Okay, once we've done all that, let's go ahead and note, name, and finger together. This is 60 half notes. 1, 2, ready, go. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Now it keeps going. G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Now we're at the top, we're going down. E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. We keep going down. E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Okay. Now, I'm going to play you note, name, and finger. 1, 2. Okay, your turn to play. I'm just going to finger. 1, 2, ready, and go. The top, go down. All right. So that's a long one. Remember that if you're having trouble on just one part of the scale, which most likely is going to be the newer part, the upper part, isolate that part. You don't need to start at the beginning every time. Then you're just getting better at the beginning and probably not even getting to the middle, right? So don't be afraid to isolate it. Once you're comfortable with that, you're getting it in half notes at 60 every time. It's time to start speeding it up gradually. Once you are at about 100 in half notes, it's time to start thinking in halves and quarters. Make sure that you pay special attention to the rhythm in this 2-octave scale, since it's kind of new for us. I'm going to play it U note name finger. Halves and quarters at 60. 1, 2. Okay, your turn. Halves and quarters at 60. All finger, you play. 1, 2, ready, and go. Okay. If that went well, it's time to be bumping up your tempo gradually. If you had some trouble with it, make sure, don't be afraid to go slower. Don't be afraid to go back to half notes. The ultimate goal here on any of your scales is to play every note correctly and beautifully. So if you're sacrificing that to go faster, you're just losing points, basically. So make sure your number one goal is always to play cleanly and beautifully. Okay, so if you've sped it up, you've sped up your halves and quarters, and you're about at 100, it's time to start thinking in quarters and eighths. This is your ultimate goal on this scale and every scale. You might not be there yet, but I want to provide you an example of that. So here is quarters and eighths at 60. 1, 2. Happy practicing.